effect from 6 a.m. Sunday to midnight Sunday night. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Sunday to midnight Sunday night. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Timing. Blizzard conditions are expected to develop Sunday morning and continue into Sunday evening. Accumulations, 1 to 3 inches of new snow, is expected tonight and Sunday. Wind and visibility, northwest will increase to 30 to 45 miles an hour with gusts to 55 miles an hour. Visibilities are expected to decrease to less than a quarter a mile at times in blowing snow. Wind chill values, wind chills will decrease to 20 below to 35 below zero Sunday evening, and decrease even further by Monday morning. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.